Welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 New Holland T2320 with 406 hours. This tractor has 45 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and features a 3-point hitch and 540 PTO, along with mechanical front-wheel drive and a grille guard. Thank you for viewing this New Holland T2320. Interested in this tractor? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.